Use the diagram below to explain why the formula for the area of a circle is pi r squared. You can use the fact that the circumference of a circle is given by 2 pi r. Okay, so here I have a circle and I cut it into 6 equal slices and I rearranged those slices into something that looks rectangular. It's not exactly a rectangle, but it looks somewhat rectangular. And if I view this as a rectangle, this distance here is approximately the radius of the circle. So this is the length of the side of a pizza slice. That was a radius of the circle. So I'll put an R there. And then this distance, this length of the one side of the rectangle, it's one, two, three curved pieces of the pizza. So one, two, three. That's half the circumference of the circle. One half the circumference. Okay, so if I make this rectangle, right, this is an approximation. I'm using a rectangle to approximate this pizza slice situation. So the area of the rectangle is going to be base times height. One half the circumference is the base, the height is the radius, and then circumference is 2 pi r. So this is one half times 2 pi r times r. One half times 2 is 1, and this becomes pi r squared. And that's how we get the area of a circle. Now, this looks kind of like an approximation, but if you made more and more slices, you make these slices smaller and smaller, then this picture looks more and more like a rectangle. And if you make them infinitely small, this eventually becomes exactly a rectangle.